Welcome to Scholanetz. Please like and subscribe to learn math with easy and step-by-step explanations.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Scholanetz. In today's video, we are going to learn division of fractions. So let's go started. First, we have to know what is division. Division means sharing or finding how many groups are there. So what is division? Division means we have to find the sharing or finding. When we divide fractions, we are finding how many times does when we divide fraction, we are finding how many times does one fraction fit into another. For example, it says how many half cups fit into one cup. Okay, half, this is the fraction. So it says how many half cups fit into one cup. There is one cup. Okay, and in this one cup, how many half cups can fit? This will be the half, half, half. It means one half and another half. So how many half can fit into one cup? It will be two. So the answer will of this one will be two. It will be 1 divided by half. So it will be 2. In one cup, two half cup can fit into one cup. So when we are talking about division fraction, we have to find how many times does one fraction fit into another one. Okay. Now let's check certain rules when we are doing the division of fraction, which we have to follow. The rule says keep, change, flip. Okay. You have to keep in mind these three words: keep, change, and flip. And what we have to keep? Keep the first fraction. The first fraction we have to keep as it is. And what we have to change? Change divide to multiply. Like divide sign we have to change into multiply. Okay. And what we have to flip? Flip the second fraction. We have to flip the second fraction. First we have to keep the first fraction as it is, then we have to change the divide into multiply, and then we have to flip the second fraction. Okay, in division of fraction we multiply by the reciprocals. For example, let's take some examples. 3/4 divided by half. So what we have to do? The first step, it says keep the first fraction. This is the first fraction. So we have to keep it as it is. 3/4 it will come as it is. Then the step 2 says change divide to multiply. This divide sign we have to change into times. Okay, multiply sign. Then it says flip the second fraction. This is the second fraction. Then we have to flip it. Then if you will flip, the 2 will go up and the 1 will go down. Then we have to do it. 3 times 2, it will be 6. 4 times 1, it will be 4. We can further simplify it as 3/2. See, this is the improper fraction. It means we have to change it into mixed number, 1/2. This will be our final answer. Whenever we get the improper fraction, we always have to change into mixed number. Okay, we can't leave our answer like this. Let's solve more questions. Half divided by 1/4. So how we will do? We have to recall our rules. We have to recall the division of fractions rule. What it says, we have to keep the first fraction as it is. So the first fraction will be as it is. And then the second rule was we have to change the division into multiply. So in place of division sign, we have to put the multiply sign. Then what the third rule was, we have to flip the second fraction. It means 4 will go up and 1 will go down. Then we have to simply multiply it. 4 times 1 it will be 4. 2 times 1 it will be 2. And we can break it down. It will be 2. 2 times 2 will be 4. So our final answer will be 2. Okay. Take one more. 3 over 5 divided by 1 over 5. So what we have to do, we have to keep the first fraction as it is. So 3 by 5, it will come like this. And we have to change the divide sign into multiply it. As we change the divide sign into multiply, we have to flip the second fraction. So 5 will go up and the 1 will go down. 3 times 5, it will be 15. 5 times 1, it will be 5. And it's further break down into 5. 3. 5 times 3 will be 15. So our answer will be 3. So dividing by fraction tells us how many of that fraction fit into the first number. Okay. And why we flip the second fraction? Because flipping helps us count those groups easily. That's why we flip the second fraction. Now we have to see how we can divide the fraction by a whole number. Divide fraction by whole number. Earlier we was doing the fraction divide of fraction by fraction. Now we will see how we can divide the fraction by a whole number. For example, 2 divided by 1/4. 2 is a whole number and 1/4 is a fraction. So how we have to do? We have to do similar way as we are doing the division of fraction. So we have to recall all the rules. And before that, what we have to do? Here there's a whole number means we have to, 1 is hidden here. So we can write 2 over 1 divided by 1/4. Now, the first rule says we have to keep the first fraction as it is and we have to change the divide into multiply. Then we have to flip the second fraction. So 4 will go up and the 1 will go down. It will be 2 times 4, it will be 8. Okay, take another one. 1 divided by half. So what we have to do? We have to put 1. Well, we have to just put 1 down to make it as a fraction. Then it says we have to keep the first fraction as it is and we have to change the divide into multiply. Then we have to flip the second fraction. Then 2 times will be 2 to so our final answer will be 2. Take the last one, 2 divided over 2/3. We have to make the whole number as a fraction by adding 1 in the denominator. Then 1 will be, first fraction will be as it is, divide will change into multiply, and the second fraction will flip. It will become 2 times 3, it will be 6/2. We can further simplify into 3. 2 times 3 will be 6. Understand? I hope till now it's clear how we can do the division of fraction. You have to just keep in mind the certain rules. That what's the rule? Keep, change and flip. You have to keep the first fraction, change divide to multiply, and then you have to flip the second fraction. Now we will see how we can divide the fractions using number lines. Okay, with the help of number lines, how we can divide the fraction. Take some examples. The first one is 1/3 divided by 2. We have to divide this using the number lines. So we were first what we have to do? We have to draw a number line. It will be 0 to 1. And we want to divide 1/3 into 2 equal parts. Because 1/3 is divided by 2, it means 1/3 will be divided into 2 equal parts. So we begin with the number line 0 to 1. Now split into 3 parts. So we can show 1/3. We have to split 1, 0 into third. 1, 2, 3. And then this will be the 1/3. This will be the 2/3. Okay, 0, 1/3, 2/3, and 1. This is 1/3, and this is the 2/3. Now we want to divide this amount into 2 equal parts. 1/3 from here to here, we have to divide into how many equal parts? 2 equal parts. It means we have to divide it here. One part and another part. So the length of this piece will be our answer. But what fraction is this? That we have to find it out. So let's divide up the rest of our number line to find out. So if we divide this into 2 equal parts, so we have to divide this one also into 2 equal parts and this one also into 2 equal parts. Now we have to count how many pieces has the number line been divided into. Now we have to find how many pieces we have divided this number line from 0 to 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means that amount is 1/6. Okay, it means this one is 1/6. From here to here is 1/6. Here to here is 1/6. Here to here is 1/6. Okay, understand? It means 1/3 divided by 2, it will be 1/6. Understand how we can divide the fraction using the number lines? Let's take another question so that you will be easily understand. 1/4 divided by 4. And we have to divide using the number line. So what we have to do? First, we have to draw a number line from 0 to 1. Then we have to split this number line into 4. Because 1/4 here, it means we have to divide into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be the 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. It will be the 1. Now we have to divide this amount into 4 equal parts. Because 1/4 is divided by 4. So we have to divide this into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, we have to divide all of the amount into 4 equal parts. Okay. Now we have to count how many pieces has the number lines been divided into. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So it will be 16. So 1/4 over 4 divided by 4 will be 1 over 16. Understand how we can do it with the help of the number line? Now take another question. Here it was 1 over 4 divided by 4. The another question says 3 divided by 1 by 5. Here the whole number, it was fraction was divided by the whole number. And here whole number is divided with the fraction. So how we can do this one? We want to divide 3 into parts of 1 by 5. We will begin with the number line 0 to 3 because 3 is divided by 1 by 5. So we will do it with 0 to 3. Here it was 0 to 1. Fraction was divided with whole number. So we are taking 0 to 1. Here whole number is divided into with fraction. It means we have to divide 3 into parts of 1/5. So we'll take 1, 2, 3. It will be 1 here, 2. 0, 1, 2, 3. We want to divide this amount into parts of 1/5. Here is 1 divided into 1/5. 1/5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 2, 3. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0 to 1 is divided into 1/5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here similarly, the rest of the number line divide in the same way, the 1/5. Here is the 1/5. Now, how many parts of size of 1/5 fit into 3? From here to here, how many 1/5 fits into 3? For that, we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It means it will be 15. 3 divided by 1 by 5 will be 15. So here will be 1 by 15, sorry, 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 5. So all of that we have to count how many 1 by 5 fit into the size of 3. Okay, then we will get our answer. Let's take another question of this type. 3 divided with 1 by 4. Here we want to divide 3 into parts of 1/5. So we will begin with the number line 0 to 3. It will be 1 here, 2 here, and 3 here. And we want to divide this amount into parts of 1/4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Means 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. Similarly, we have to do the rest of that. Divide into 1/4. Now, we have to count how many parts of size of 1/4 fit into 3. We have to count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It means 3 divided by 1 by 4, it will be 12. Okay, it will was 12. So how many parts of size 1/4 fit into 3 will be 12. 12, 1/4 will be fit into 3, 0 to 3. I hope it's also clear how we can divide the fraction with the help of number lines. You need practice. Just practice, just take the any question and try to do by yourself. Then you will understand it how we can do fraction with the help of number line. Okay. I hope it's clear how we can do the division of fraction. You have to just keep in mind the rules, keep, change, and flip. Okay. See you next time. Till then, keep practicing. Bye.